Here's an updated variation of the Sissy squat, inspired by Doug Brignoli and his contribution of the pendulum effect with the Sissy squat. I'm using a dip belt. You can use a climber's harness like Doug does. I like the easy access of the dip belt. I'm using a slant board under the toes so we get more stability, especially at the bottom of the range of motion. Notice the tibia, the angle of the tibia at the bottom. That's key. You want as much active range of motion as you can get at the bottom. Torso's leaning back all the way through. I could easily say this is the most direct quad exercise that I've done in over 45 years of training. And you could load this by adding dumbbells, holding dumbbells in your hands alongside your hips. Control the eccentric phase. Again, notice the angle of the tibia at the bottom. That's key here. That's the whole value of doing a sissy squat. Zero load on the spine.